Okay, let's do it again. Let's see. Are we live? Okay. Can I see chats? It might actually work this time. There you go. Nice. Okay. All right. Let's turn this off and then grab my YouTube Live link. Let's turn this off and then grab Okay, I just posted something. Okay, now I am back. All right, let me see. This is my local. And my Claude, my best friend, is here. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that I can test it and then do things. There you go, okay. And what else do I need? Okay, turn this on. There you go, perfect. Everything is set. All right, so where was I from yesterday? By the way, I fixed a few bugs this morning, completely unrelated to what I was doing yesterday, but let's pick that up. Okay, Claude, let's pick up where I left off this morning on the group asset PR. Okay, I hope it understands what I'm talking about. And let's see, and this is my local host. Okay, group asset modal, show active child details. So before we had a parent asset that includes all these children assets. And I wanted to make it so that the first child's details are showing instead of parent asset details. Asset meaning files. Okay, that's weird. There you go. It's loading. Okay, let's see. Caught up. The last commit, this packed and scope expansions per the plan, blah blah blah. The remaining unchecked items are commit push the new commit actually done is on actually done. Manual verify in browser. I haven't done manual verify. Where do you want to pick up? Browser verify the morning work and tick the plan off. Address something specific you notice. Okay, something else entirely. Okay, let's see. So yesterday I moved a whole bunch of UIs into here. I'm just not very happy with the UI as a designer, so I'm just probably gonna keep working on it. And some of these group actions are now inside here. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna switch. Can I switch the placement of compare versions with add to group. Maybe shorten the word add to group to, I don't know, what else can you say? Add version? Okay. Anyways, my wine's here, and let me pull up some boxing match in the background.
Live on HBO pay-per-view from the sold-out T-Mobile Arena here in the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the main event of the evening. 12 rounds of
It's
action
doing something.
for the WBC, WBA,
Okay,
IBO,
change the
Magazine,
switching up places, change the naming of it. Okay. Done. Okay. And I now see, yes, compare versions is here and add versions is here. Is this correct? Oh, 1 second. October 5th. Fred Loya Insurance, put Fred in your corner. And Capital Holdings. Sanctioned by the Nevada State Athletic Commission, the Executive Director, Bob Bennett, with our supervisors for this bout, WBC President Mauricio Sulema, from the WBA, Mariana Borisova, and from the IBO, Okay. All right.
Your three judges scoring at ringside.
Compare versions.
Dave Moretti and Steve Weisfeld. And when the
It's
action
not
begins
bad.
inside the ring, referee in charge, Benji Esteves. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Split this group into
the judges are ready.
assets.
The fighters are ready. Millions of fans watching live around the world are ready.
Okay.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Make some noise.
Let's have smaller share and download buttons inside asset variant. And that's what we call here asset variant.
Professional record stands outstanding with 49 victories, 1 defeat, 2 bouts even with 34 wins coming by way of knockout. The former multi-time 2-division champion of the world.
So you notice this is red, but this is blue. Something about here I feel like I should mention version, latest version.
This veteran in 39 professional bouts, 38 victories, including 34 knockouts, no defeats, 1 bout even. He is the unified WBA, WBC, IBO, Ring Magazine middleweight champion of the world. From Karaganda, Kazakhstan, Triple G, Gennady.
Computing. Meanwhile, I'm gonna just keep testing this. Think about what's the next step. Okay. Let's see. Compare versions. Okay. Share plus download buttons now use half the padding. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me refresh. Okay, didn't do anything. The buttons are still the same size. Can you make them smaller? Pre-digitating.
Well, the most positive thing for Golovkin is he has to stop the movement of Canelo. He had a superb in the first fight. Oh, good left hook there, straight off the gate there from.
By the way, if you have better ideas, I'm all ears.
We know that. Golovkin may well be the heavier puncher.
The override allows the specificity. Oh, fight. PB button uses button, which beats my one class selector. The CSS variable sound container also big sides. Let me use the same two class tricks to win. Okay. I like winning. Okay. I try how to refresh. Oh, there you go. Now the buttons are small. Okay. I like it. Now, I'm not happy with these little buttons.
Two lights feeling each other out in the early stages here. Not too many power shots unleashed as yet. Always economical.
First of all, okay, that's wrong. See, I reacted to this one, but somehow this one gets okay. The reactions is for the group and not for individual. That's it. Very neat. Should we keep it above? What should we do? What should we do? I want to know the alternatives.
Established by either man behind that left-hand lead. Maybe Golovkin throwing the more, but a lot being taken on the gloves by Alvarez.
Add a comment.
There's a left hand from Alvarez, which did get through. Steady jabbing though from the Kazakh champion. Again, as you said, he's on a solid jab.
Move the React UX UI out of the per variance. Okay, that's option 1. Lift the backend constraint. So React can target a child or group, then reroute. I recommend 1 for this PR. Resolves the visual lie about dragging in. Oof. See, I don't like touching the back end, so I'm gonna go with it just front end change. Let's do fun. Number 1.
Just Golovkin, I just think his jab was a little bit stronger than Alvarez.
Very satisfying. Not to code. Just get AI to code for me. Meanwhile, I keep testing.
Very, very good. Deep breath.
Okay. Okay, that's weird.
Very, very good.
What happened there?
Make sure we keep that jab on him. A little more faint. And when you back up, stay down. Again, stay down.
Yeah, they're happy.
This is interesting. Okay. Let's get back to
second round underway, 12 rounder here. Barry Jones alongside me here at ringside, just edging that opening round.
I just saw this reaction disappearing from here, and this means that AI is now trying to move it. Either under here, my guess is up here.
Combination there with the seam in the left hand there from Canelo, jabbing uppercut and a left hook. You got to use that hand speed. As Canelo.
This could be a very complex PR, but it needs to be done. It needs to be done.
Moving in well, stepping in on the back of that jab, which he has thrown well so far. That's better from Alvarez.
Let me actually minimize this.
Good left hand, and look at the chin of Golovkin. He did no more than blink.
Dang. Let's hide it so you can see more.
Out the distance even he was.
Okay.
That's good again from Alvarez. Fast hands. The fight just starting to warm up here in the second round.
All right. Let's hard refresh.
Coming back to fast counters. He has to make Golovkin pay. Every time he misses,
Okay. Oh, interesting. So you moved it up here. And okay. Do I like this? Do I like that? I also did notice that these are not vertically aligned. That's vertically, while I'm thinking about this, aligned everything in the compare versions. So,
That's better from Alvarez, doubling up nicely on the jab. From Golovkin, rather.
okay, I misspelled compare, but it's okay. Who cares? So this is like one pixel off, and it bothers me.
More emphatic eye-catching punches in this round have come from the Mexican.
Oh, good shot. Go back there, as you said it there from Golovkin. His famed left hook.
Pondering.
Good, again, the technical aspect of it.
Okay.
Quality work,
Time to
especially from
refresh.
Alvarez. 10 seconds, 10 segundos.
Yeah, much better round this one from Alvarez. First round would have gone Golovkin's way. Looks as though the Mexican has done enough to take the second.
Okay. It's better, but you can see that things are cut off, and I don't like the position of this. Whew, okay.
Golovkin any momentum, not letting him push Alvarez back. Alvarez is keeping him on the back foot.
Okay, checking all these things. Okay. I left the React G. Under description box like we used to have.
Here's some of the work from that second round. Good shot that from Alvarez.
And then you get some leverage on that punch as well.
I don't know. I don't like that because that would mean
And in slow motion, looks like
it's too
well, he blocked it,
confusing.
but it was so fast, and he was out of range. And he seemed in a safe place, Golovkin.
And terrific balance as well as you saw him move away out of the range for potential counter. And there is
What
indeed
should I do?
working around that right eye of Golovkin, which I'm sure has been
Comment.
caused by a punch from Alvarez rather than any work with the hand.
I'm gonna move on to something else just so that maybe I'll have an idea. It will come back to me. Let's try this. Let's try adding version numbers to variants in the group. So it starts from 1 and then moves to 2, 3, 4. Next round. I think it'll give me some time to think about this.
Alvarez showing signs of wanting to stand his ground and plant his feet more than he did in the first fight and be more of the
Meanwhile, I'm on a piece of paper and I'm drawing what I envision this to be. Walk into the life of designer.
He's trying to make Golovkin pay for every time he misses with a punch. I
Version.
think that's important, because that makes Golovkin second guess. Oh, good left hook there from Alvarez.
Also, I don't like that.
Beat Golovkin to the punch. There's Golovkin trying to double up on that jab and another one as Alvarez comes into range. Oh, good shots. Nice right hand from Alvarez, from Golovkin.
Don't like the fact that there's some things in this overflow and there's like 3 overflows. That's just bad UX. Also, some of these things are already in here, so why would I need to have archive and delete here? So I might not even do that. Comments? Oh.
His power shots and he's not really been able to land that with any real authority so far. So the last couple of
double jab, but then throw the right hand.
This could take a
Bypass it,
while.
bit of a
I picked a very hairy one.
with the first left hand. Just a glancing blow there. Good there again from Alvarez. Jab, little lean back.
Thinking. I'm thinking about it.
Body shot inside from Alvarez, right hand.
I need to do something like crazy too. Now that I have a AI prototyper, I can build whatever I want it to build.
Work it out.
Got into a bit of a rhythm in the latter stages of this round, Golovkin. Tight round, how do you score it?
Okay, sure.
The quality of the work was for Alvarez for me, definitely.
Okay, oh, so I put V1 and V2. Nice. Okay. No, it should be the other way around. Okay, AI. Sometimes you can be stupid. The latest one is always. Okay, what happens if I move it though? Okay, that becomes V1. Okay, that I like. At least your name's changing.
Not allowing Golovkin to push him back. So Golovkin can't get no momentum
Okay,
in his work.
the top one is always.
Easily, I think, from
Sorry, the bottom
leaning back quite well and countering.
version numbering
Especially early.
should go from bottom to top.
There's a nice left hand from Golovkin. I thought that round was tight. Rounds like that which could determine the outcome of the fight.
And this is why designer role, they'll always stay. Because look at how complicated it is. Okay, first of all, the coding makes it very easy. I can prototype whatever I want. And I tell Claude to do whatever I want, but I still have to decide. And this looks terrible right now. I'm talking about, this is a version control inside, basically this version control. I'm trying to make a version control happen.
You've got to try and move on the target.
Now I'm gonna refresh. And I've been at this for almost 3 hours now. So again, it's not easy. Ooh, I like the fact that Claude chooses a tiny font. Okay, that I like. Because the title is much more prominent. I like the visual hierarchy of this. That's great. What the hell is this? I'm gonna move this somehow, somewhere. Okay. And first, I gotta fix whatever. So you notice, this one has archive and delete, and this one has archive and delete. It's like redundant. There are some redundant assets, actions. Can you consolidate? Preferably.
Second round definitely was Alvarez's round.
I should probably remove this thing.
Let's take his foot off the gas though here. Golovkin.
Preferably remove from the overflow.
Those of you who love
Okay.
boxing, well, it's terrific to see these lads so well matched. More than just power, more than just brawling. So much technically superb to admire.
Boxing match is in the background. I haven't really watched it. So focus on this.
Golovkin beating him to the jab. Fast, accurate left-hand lead.
Alvarez is trying to walk him down. Look at
Moonwalking.
He's not letting his hands go. He's just taking a few too many at the minute. Not in any danger as yet.
Okay.
Letting this
So
round slip away.
meanwhile,
This is,
AI is
Golovkin
thinking and
round so
coding,
far.
prototyping. I have to decide what's my next move.
Right uppercut there from Golovkin.
Okay.
Mexican fans getting excited at the seeming aggression from Alvarez, but most of those punches missed. That's better. Jab
Okay.
is served.
Sometimes it gives an error and if it's in the middle of fixing, so you just have to refresh.
A wee bit more with that right hand.
Still moonwalking, so I just need to refresh.
Especially the early started fast.
That's his best round so far, this Barry. Good round, Golovkin, and punches thrown after the bell. The referee won't
Oh
have
wait,
it.
it's doing all kinds of stuff. Notice there's a little like margin here that bothers me. Okay. Let's figure out what this margin is coming from. Active. Okay. You notice that there's padding. Okay. That's better. And what is this? 60? Okay, 60 is okay, but 4? I'm gonna ask active child actions. Can you remove padding top and bottom for action? So this makes it easier, and it's not like I don't have to describe it. I just know exactly what AI should be looking at. And now it's tinkering. Okay, this is ugly as fuck, so I'm gonna have to fix this. Done. Active child action now has. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Hate this. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oof. What should I do? What should I do? Okay. He removed that. That's good. Oh, man. Can you move active child actions to the variant overflow instead of showing inside the variant? It's like I just don't like how fat this looks.
Surprised he's not the one trying to push Alvarez back.
Channeling. Can I even finish this PR today? It's very complicated. I'll move the panel into variant titles, ... job confirmed. Thank you. Whew. Okay, oh, there you go. It's a little clean. Oh, except you got rid of share and download. Okay, that I don't like. Unless you're putting it back because you're still going. Refresh. Doesn't look like you're gonna put it back, so I'm gonna have to tell you to put it back. I just want to make sure that everything works fine in a dark mode. 2. And sometimes I just check dark mode. Okay. Fresh. The good thing about using AI is that you don't do stupid mistakes. Okay. You notice they removed share and download. I prefer having. I liked what you had there. Share and download. And you put them back. But not. Terrible English, but AI understands me.
And they have to work away on that, and it's got worse during that last round. You've got it 3-2 Golovkin, I've got it 4-1 Golovkin.
Just think now, he's starting to get his rhythm. I think Alvarez is trying to be a counter puncher.
Did you know that when a boxer gets a cut, they put a Vaseline on their wound?
And like the first fight in some of those rounds, Golovkin just pumping away with the jab, pumping away with the jab. But those jabs are solid. That's good there from Golovkin, then throwing the jab there. When somebody comes back, just takes a little move to the left.
Somebody got punched in the face. Really hard. Okay.
Into the 6th as the fight nears its halfway stage.
Alright, AI.
The big one we've been waiting for.
Let's go.
Here in Las Vegas.
Faster.
Golovkin, let me remind you, in the white shorts. Nice body shot, Alvarez.
The movement before it
I
was
wish you
really
could
good.
watch the
That shape,
boxing with me.
the shimmy, coming back with a shot.
Mm-hmm.
Repeatedly spearing him with the jab, Golovkin.
And they're scoring punches. People forget sometimes. They are scoring shots. So it's all money in the bank.
Okay, it's doing something.
As ever, though, of course, it's the age-old argument.
Counted
Does
34
one big
lines,
shot
removed 24
do
lines.
more
Okay.
to the score than 4 or 5 accurate jabs such as these?
Lovely uppercut there from Golovkin. Alvarez trying to pull back with a left hook to the body.
He's boxing beautifully at the moment, Barry.
But he's under no pressure. Alvarez.
That's good.
He's taking the
Okay.
punch as well. He's not letting his hands go
Mozane.
enough.
Come on, let's go.
Trying to stalk Golovkin, but not enough work coming back. Oh, nice left hook there though from Alvarez.
Nope. Still going.
Just to take two before he let it go.
Okay, I see that. I see share and download backup. And let's see if it's going to put it back on this. I'm going to actually increase the size of this. Compare versions. Something about this. It needs to be more highlighted. It's a little hidden. Okay. Where you see compare versions and add versions, I would like that row to be somehow highlighted, so users don't miss it. And it gives more. It's like the more you explain why I'm trying to do things, it actually does better. Gives more visual highlights.
Slightly anxious shouts from the Mexican fans. You perhaps heard one right behind us.
Okay.
Come on, Canelo. And a bit of desperation in it. Right hand though from Canelo. That's better.
Done. Okay, you've done a lot of that stuff here. You did not do what I asked you to do. That's okay. I don't hate you. Oh, okay. A little. Oh, it puts a little background on it. That's good. So it's no longer cut off here. Okay. It put a weird divider. You put a weird. Okay, weird. I don't know if anyone understands. Okay, divider above share and download. We probably don't need that. We probably don't need that.
Just not doing enough here, Alvarez. For me.
See the bruising there underneath his left eye. Golovkin's face does tend to mark up. He has those prominent cheekbones.
That was a very good round. Just you let him drop the shot. That's all.
See?
Well, there's somebody we recognise rather well. Star of Hangover.
Good shot there from Alvarez. Lovely left hook and the jab.
Needs a big round, you sense, Alvarez, just to stem the tide which may have been starting to go against him. And that's good again from Alvarez. A couple of nice uppercuts inside.
Channeling. Okay.
Pivot off there, Alvarez.
I don't know why the hell you put a divider here. Why would you do that? Border top, 1 pixel solid. Why? So, okay, sometimes AI does stupid things, and you don't want that. But it's okay. I still forgive you, Claude. And meanwhile, when I'm waiting, I look for the next game plan.
those punches off. Nice left hook to the body. Just missing with the right hand.
I don't like that there's overflow and overflow. It's clashing. So I have to somehow get rid of this overflow.
Don't give Alvarez's credit. He didn't look bigger the way he did in the first fight.
Okay. You know, I'm going to try something new. And this is normally, I would do this in Figma, but because, you know, why not? I'm just going to do this. Where the row in which you have compare versions and add version, can you have a label that shows how many versions there are, and then add actions under inside it instead of an overflow. That period. That way you can the visual hierarchy, as in grouping, and then individual, asset variant.
He slowed up a little bit at the end of the round here.
Seems
I think it's been a good start. So the round from
natural.
good there from Golovkin.
Lovely uppercut inside. Again, well taken by Alvarez. Golovkin finishing that round really strong, and you see that was a huge effort from Alvarez. He was really blowing as he went back to the corner, but maybe taking the round.
I think so. I think from the work in the early part of the round, I thought it was
While we're waiting, either I'm watching boxing in the background or I'm testing. This one's a key example. You can see that there's 3 keynotes.
That was a much better round. Okay, but we gotta do it the whole round. The last part of it was great. Stay in the pocket. Let's fight this guy, all right?
Stay on and narrow the gap.
Oh, there has to be download all too, in case you want to download all.
So he takes a really good shot.
Okay.
He's looked really strong in this fight, Alvarez. He really has. Just needs to keep that work rate going now for me.
Just the 1 point in it on Barry's card in favour of the champion, Golovkin.
Of course.
To be fair, they both show some lovely uppercuts, especially with the right hand and the pair of them. This is fantastic.
Well, it was a very high quality fight rather than an all-out war first time. It's more of the same in a lot of ways.
Lovely shot, lovely uppercut from Alvarez there.
Good again.
And again, he's trying to be the bully, isn't he? Trying to push Golovkin back.
Okay, you put a little 2 versions at the top.
Having to suck it up here now. And this is good from Alvarez.
Ooh, it's gonna be a while. Look and see how ugly this is. Okay.
Lovely job, fantastic.
But hopefully it's not done yet. Maybe we'll add a little style to it.
Has come on strong. Lovely right hand, Golovkin.
Okay, I guess that's done. That's kind of scary. Ugly as hell.
As an ex-pro fighter yourself, Barry, I sense that you are almost gasping in admiration at the quality of some of the work here from both men.
Okay.
Fantastic.
I don't even know how to explain this.
Brilliant work.
Okay. We need more rows in that where it says 2 versions. X N versions and compare. It's all columns right now. Okay, we'll start from there. Step by step. So the X makes it feel like AI could do anything, but you know, you really have to be very specific. You're doing very complex UX. Done. No, you're not done. Okay, so the actions are like very busy and then adverbs. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's put add version in the same row as inversions label. And we probably don't need this. Get rid of this. Oh no, that's okay. Done. Okay, you're done. That scares me. You're done, but I am not done. Okay, you're still not done. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, now I have to be very specific about you.
Longer and lower. Okay? You gotta keep working him the whole round. Okay. The jab is great, but you gotta mix it up. Okay. That shot on top is good. Touch him on the sides too. Open him up. Come on, baby.
It's called action row left. Let's grab that class. Okay, how do I explain this to you? It should have its own row. Right now, it's actions are pushing to the left. I don't know. I'm just like at this point it's like try something else. Okay, I'll restructure into 2 set rows. Top row gets the version. You know, you really have to be really good at communicating. As you get into the new generation of coding, you just have to know how to explain things to somebody. Otherwise, it's impossible. Gesticulating. So maybe actually going into liberal arts or English major is actually more important than actually going to computer science. Okay, now, okay, I see 2 versions and compare version. What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, switch, compare checkbox with add version. I don't know if we're getting closer or getting further, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep going. Whew, AI. I love you, but then sometimes you can be really, really dumb. Kid's doing something, but it's now even more uglier, but you're still working on it, so I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna watch boxing in the background. I actually think this is what I mean. You just need to have a good taste because somebody else is prototyping for you. You just have to be very specific on what you want. Okay, you did not swapped. Jesus fucking Christ. Swapped layout now. No, you did not. It's so ugly. Oh, okay. I take it back. You're right. You did fine. Okay, sorry, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna fix this somehow. The top row where it says, you know what, I'm just gonna call this, I don't want to explain where you should be looking at. So this row is called action row. Okay, let's call it action row. The action row could be, could have a bigger label and some more. You know what? I'm gonna be vague on this one. Better visual hierarchy.
Golovkin by 3 rounds now on Barry's card.
There's a few rounds like that one. Now they could have gone the other way and it could be a lot closer again. Again, the quality, the better work, the classier work, most definitely is kept. It's always going to come on tonight, you feel.
Third was close, wasn't it? The 9th has been close.
But Golovkin just keeps working and working and working.
Into the 10th. Champion here. He is the man who looks as though he is ahead.
Well, meanwhile, I'm gonna check my emails on the other computer.
You can go a little bit more. I know you can't make mistakes with Golovkin because you can knock you out, but lovely work from Golovkin. He doesn't let that uppercut.
But Alvarez, remember, is the home fighter, an Oscar De La Hoya fighter and an Oscar De La Hoya bid. And he started fast, putting a lot into the opening seconds of this 10th round. Golovkin, as ever, though, seems totally unfazed when put under that sort of pressure.
Looks tired for me though, John. Golovkin.
Good shot.
Look at that though, straight away. Alvarez fires back.
Alvarez needs, by my reckoning, surely to win these last 3 rounds if he's going to win this fight.
There's always a talk about how well Golovkin takes a punch, but how well did Alvarez take a shot?
Well, we've seen that again and again. I'm sure there have been moments when he's been... Oh, good shot, Golovkin. Terrific right hand. Alvarez felt the weight of that one, but has the presence of mind to keep bobbing and weaving. But Alvarez is under real pressure here now from Golovkin,
All right.
who's going looking for him, but Alvarez...
Okay, I answer all my emails on the other computer. Okay, let's go. Okay, are you done? Okay, you're still going. Oh my gosh.
Looked as though he got him going with that right hand, but Alvarez had the clarity of thought and the coordination to stay away. A shake of the head from Golovkin as Alvarez landed a big right hand.
A little bit low there with that left hook, Alvarez. On the blind side of the referee.
Minute to go in the 10th.
He's puffing there, Golovkin.
What a surprise.
You know, not bad so far. Not bad. I like that. Okay. It's a weird indentation there. Compare. Okay.
Will to win.
So it says it's kind of done, so remove fresh.
All being searched right now.
Oh, I like the fact that you increase the font size on this one. Let's put add version next to compare, and then have actions be its in its row.
Another terrific round.
I think it needs a border.
Highest quality. And Golovkin finishing fast, finishing hard, and there's the bell. What a round that was.
Fantastic. Best round of the fight by a million miles.
Tight round. Golovkin landed that tremendous right hand. But the way that Alvarez came
And the actions should be left aligned in the row.
The physio guy was Golovkin, and at the end of the round there, he finishes strong for me. That's another round of the bank for him.
well, if the judges go with how you've got it, Alvarez needs a knockout. Certainly needs a knockdown.
The share
Golovkin dominated one round.
more
Golovkin dominated any rounds.
isn't showing.
What recovery there from Alvarez.
And what we're
Share
doing
button
is to watch these
doesn't
fights,
have
brilliance as he had managed to avoid the attempted follow-up.
drop down
Body movement from Alvarez. We've seen in the last fight.
like
It's absolutely
all other
doesn't get tired
assets.
actually, but the
Why?
best he can be.
I wonder if this can be moved to the top. I'm gonna do crazy things now. Why not, right? Okay. Let's try this for a change. What if I pin the, what do you call this? This one. Variant Asset Variant Selector. The top before the asset title. What would that look like? Sticky? Not, no, I don't want sticky. Before I touch the code, just a reorder or sticky pinned. Stays visible while the rest rolls. Pin. Sticky pin. Like stays visible. Why not? Why not? Test it out. The thing about this group asset or versions is it's all about visual hierarchy. So I just have to be very specific.
I know it's hard to do it, to work with Golovkin because he hits so hard, but I think he's had fun to do it, and maybe he's just trying to pick his spots too much and hasn't been a little bit. He's trying to force the pace with his feet, not with his hands.
For me, he's been outboxed very.
Good jabs, good jabs. That right hand better right here, like I said, okay? Make sure we turn it, but we gotta stay busy. It's only 3 minutes. It's only 3 minutes.
Is he 3 minutes away from going past Bernard Hopkins, retaining the title? 21 it will be for Golovkin if he wins it.
There's 3 of you watching this video. Who are you? Can you tell me who you are? In the chat?
Has Golovkin proved a point? Great right hand though from Alvarez, but here comes Golovkin.
And the left hook from Golovkin as well, John.
Two landing almost simultaneously with terrific power shots. Oh, good shot, Golovkin. Great uppercut. It's invidious to compare eras, but you have to wonder. Tommy Hearn
Okay.
sitting behind his
Ooh, it looks terrible. But okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it looks terrible. Oh my goodness. Okay, it looks terrible. Claude, go back to where it was. Jesus freaking Christ. So bad. What is this? Terrible. It's like an eyesore. Ooh, I'm gonna say it's an eyesore and then just go back to where you were. Please. Okay, be done with it. This is disgusting.
Even though he's been forcing the pace, good, and I love the uppercut.
What a terrific effort from Alvarez, steering from the Mexican.
Oh, so bad. So bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so bad.
Standing up right around this huge
Okay,
arena here
let's.
in Las Vegas, appreciating
I will say this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Claude. This looks really bad. Let's go back. to where we were.
He's kept going.
What a terrific fight once more. Technical brilliance rather than sheer brutality.
Oh, lovely little combination there from Alvarez.
Phew,
Right to the
that
body,
was crazy.
left into the head.
Well, it's been a huge effort from Alvarez, and maybe he's winning this last round. Shrugs his shoulders as much as to invite Golovkin in.
I reverted. Thank you so much.
Power shots are coming from Alvarez.
Jesus freaking Christ. That was so bad. Okay.
It's worsening on the face of Golovkin.
Too late to affect the fight now, though. That's for sure.
Two versions. Compare,
Here from Alvarez.
add, version. Version. I don't know. The spacing is so weird.
Of a fight to linger in the memory. People are standing up cheering.
Row. The plus add version should be pinned to the right.
The enmity forgotten. A hug of respect from both men. And what a fight that was. Alvarez won the last round, but did he do enough? Well, not on our card. Both men celebrate. For us, it's Golovkin, but it's going to go to the cards once again. And you have to once more just admire
Okay, let's
the
refresh.
brilliance of two very, very good fighters indeed.
This could be a while. My goodness.
Wasn't a rip-roaring fight that we thought it was going to be a bit of a firecracker, but
No.
especially again from Alvarez. But I think
The hell's
Golovkin was happy to move around the ring more and not force the pace. Was happy to let
Thank you, Flo Rin. I love that. Hello, I was here. Yes, I know. I work from home, and I like the fact that we're just kind of coding together. You don't even have to watch me. I like the fact that I know there's somebody there. I appreciate that so much.
Don't like it? No, think it's going to be a terribly popular verdict if it goes his way.
Add version is still not pinned. Pin to the right.
4 points to Gennady Golovkin.
You know, whatever you do, Florin, you let me know, and I'll follow you. Oh wait, hold on. I can follow you, and you can post your projects so I can take a look at it too. Obviously, I'm very like, I drink a lot of wine when I'm doing this.
And this young Mexican here, he bench for most of the time. And he looked strong, he looked fit, and I think he could have done a bit more again. For me, I think the quality in his work is always superb. The uppercuts, the left hooks to the body are brilliant. Just like I was saying in the preview, just doesn't go enough.
Two very, very fine fighters. And anxious moments as ever for both camps as they wait for the judges' cards to be totted up. Dave Moretti, Glenn Fieldman, and Steve Weisfeld.
Okay, fresh. There you go.
Moretti's
Okay,
score
like
in the
that.
first fight added 115, 130.
Okay, I'm not still loving the visuals. These are too much. Oof, what can I do? What can I do here?
How are they going to have it this time around?
You know what I'm gonna do? Okay. Let's hide the archive and trash in the overflow for the group. I'll leave the rest visible.
Glenn Feldman scores this bout even, 114, 114.
Just to clean that up.
And Steve Weisfeld have it 115, 113. Your winner by majority decision and new.
Frankly, though, I find that very, very surprising. Alvarez gets his moment, and it's a Mexican celebration on Mexican Independence Day. The Golovkin corner simply cannot believe it. And all around here, people whose opinions I respect and have respected for many years, they're shaking their heads in disbelief.
Okay. Two versions.
Golovkin's very unlucky. There were a few touchdowns that could have gone
Oof,
the other way.
I don't like that.
I still think that.
This is gonna be a while.
But it's still just a point. Still just a 10-9 round. So big winner ties.
It's gonna be a while.
But I think that especially the second
Two versions that makes.
Golovkin did enough to seal the race. I think you know what's going to happen next. There's going to be a trilogy. There'll be a third fight. But Golovkin can't.
Can we say group of
And we're going to have to
N versions
this one,
in
analyse it, and try and work out how Sal Alvarez won.
in the header?
Golovkin won't box in Nevada, that's for sure. This is the home of decision for Alvarez, and I think you feel like you want to go somewhere else for it. Well, yeah. I mean, it's hard.
There you go. Group of two versions.
Damning after somebody has given everything, and that was a tremendous last round effort from Sal Alvarez, and fair play to that.
What happened?
Damning, but you do have to point out.
Jeez, what happened to archive and delete?
Promotion with a Golden Boy fighter.
Okay, what happened?
Golden Boy City.
Group archive and delete. I don't see them.
But I still don't think, for me, he didn't do enough. That's all I say. He didn't do enough. Well, HBO agreeing they had it the same way. Interesting to know how our BBC colleagues have got it. Demetrius Andrade sitting there with Mike Costello. I wonder how they've scored it. But we had it clearly in Golovkin's favour.
Add, don't forget the red of top sinners to hold the archive and this group. Put the two icons. Let's go.
On winning another classic middleweight fight. Did you think the fight was... Ladies and gentlemen, from the Mandalay Bay of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, welcome to the main event of the evening.
Right now, I'm working on silly what? Silly. Wait, sorry. A silly web app that lets you change between how cats and dogs and birds and reptiles see the world. That's not how. Do you want to share that? I mean, I could share that with my team. That's so cute.
Romanza Boxing Productions and MP Promotions, along with HBO pay-per-view.
It's very cute.
Cerveza with an attitude. Rockstar energy drink. Party like a rock star. Smart Communications and Southwest Airlines, the symbol of sanctioned by
It's so
the
adorable.
State
I wonder if you can actually like capture that in YouTube and share that to the world.
WBC President Jose Sulaiman. At ringside, the three judges scoring this bout: Dwayne Ford, Tom Miller, and Jerry Roth. And inside the ring, in charge of the action, referee Kenny Bayless. And now we've met the
Something about
promoters,
this. It's not right.
sponsors, and officials. Now it's time to
Okay.
meet the stars of the show. And that means it's time
And then
for the most
add
famous phrase in boxing
BTN.
history.
Should not have white padding.
Let's get ready to rumble! Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing white, official weight, 129 pounds.
Something about this doesn't feel right.
45 victories, including
There you go. Okay, came back. That's great.
3 defeats with 2 belts even. From General Santos City, Philippines, the
Yeah, you can share with me on X or whatever. Just share with me, and then I'll share with my friends.
featherweight world champion and current WBC
I appreciate that you came back on the second day.
Manny
Well, there's like no one here. That's okay. I'm just working. This is just how I work every day. Boxing in the background, wine, and just keep struggling with Claude.
Fighting out of the red corner.
Okay.
Wearing black, official weight 130 pounds. Professional record 48 victories, including 35 knockouts.
I still don't like.
One draw. Damas y caballeros,
Now, can you
de
add?
Ciudad de Mexico,
Can you add a second row below group of inversions to have compare and
WBC super featherweight champion of the world, Juan Manuel Dinamita Marquez.
Okay, trunks are a little high here, so punches in this area will be considered a good punch. Punches here will be okay. Now, gentlemen, we went over the rules in the dressing room. I want to encourage you to keep the fight clean at all times, protect yourself at all times, and what I say, you must obey. Touch up. Good club. Buena suerte.
okay, then clean. Okay. Can you add compare a virgins to the word compare? Okay, now the visual hierarchy is starting to come alive. That's great. Okay, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. It's too easy to hit that, so I'm gonna hide it under overflow. Can you hide? Can you put what's it called? Split this group into assets. Split this group into assets. In under overflow. And you see there's weirdly there's margins, they're just off. Okay. You see? There's a little margin there. Of course, I knew it. There's something about that padding. Okay. Compare labels. Can you remove padding from compare labels? Okay. That should work. I like this. 1, 2, 3. I just don't like the visualness of it, but so I'm gonna fix that. But I like the hierarchy of it. At least the wireframe part of it.
Touch your heads. Touch your heads.
Netlify. I don't know, actually. Can you email me? Here's my email address. I'm gonna text you. It's my email address. Okay. That's my email address. Netlify. Okay. If you ping me, I'll figure it out. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad so far. Okay. This is good. What do I want to do now? Okay. So far, I'm getting closer to what I want. Now I'm curious about if there's any visual thing that I could. Is it? Let me see. I just want a slightly action row. Can you suggest a few more visuals for action row? I don't know it's gonna come back. Be the divider or something. It's just something doesn't feel right to me. Okay, card with rounded top. Group icon next to I love. Oh, no, I don't want an icon. I don't want more icon. Two-tone header. Okay, compact build. Oh my gosh. Let's try with one first. And then I'm gonna try 3 afterwards. By the way, Florian, where are you from? Are you from US? Are you from Europe? Where are you from? Okay, applied. You didn't do anything because it looks exactly the same. Okay, it looks ugly as hell. Let's try 3. Undo 1. Okay. Switch to 2 tones. Okay, did you? It looks exactly the same. I have to very. Okay, let's go back to. Let's try 4. Undo 3. Pull row. Okay.
Can't handle your speed. You've got to use the double jab and put that left hand right behind you, okay? Yeah, that's good.
Cuando se tira recto abajo es porque se va a enderezar. Y remata. Cuando le metes un buen putazo abajo, remata.
Muy bien. Más vivo porque te está picando abajo.
Tira abajo para rematar arriba.
Okay. Everything's ugly. Okay, this is gonna be a while. I don't know if I can actually do it today. Oh man, it looks so ugly. I'm sorry. Jesus Christ. And then the focus, the selector state is terrible. Oh man. Okay. How am I gonna fix this? You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, you're from Europe. You're Romania. It's after midnight here now, but I got used to it. I worked in the tech support, the Verizon until late 2025. I shipped until oh Jesus Christ. Oh wow. I have 2 employees who work at Europe, Germany, and Norway. If there's any way I can support you, please let me know. You're very sweet. There's no one else. There's only 2 of us, just you and me. I may just started yesterday, so I'm happy to be helpful no matter what. Thank you so much for supporting me or just just accompanying me. Otherwise, this will be just me talking by myself. I'm gonna wrap this up in 3 minutes. I'm gonna stop at 3, and you should go to sleep. Really. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Looks terrible. Can you put add version next to the actions? Pinned to the left. Oh, the right. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna take a while. Okay. It's getting better. Ooh, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Florin. You're awesome. You're so, so awesome. I think I missed your email. Not sure where you shared it. Oh, it's very easy. It's jessica@playbook.com. Just let me know what you're working on. Let's see if I can post it on my X, even though I don't have a huge followers on X. Maybe LinkedIn. I have a lot more followers on LinkedIn. I can share your project and maybe people can try it. Okay. Things are getting better. Okay. They hover over, now pop over should be placed bottom and top, not top for whatever this is called. Asset bearing selector. Okay. I'll check it out. Thanks, Florin. I'm gonna try to finish this up in the next 30 minutes, but yeah, I'm gonna cut this off now. I appreciate that you're staying the entire time. Thank you so much. I'll try to do this every day, but Wednesday tomorrow I have to be in LA for a talk, so I won't be here tomorrow, but I'll be back on Thursday. should be pin to the right. All right. Cool. I'm gonna keep working on this. Anyways, thanks so much. And I'll see you on Thursday. Let me see if I can